Hey friends, if you wish to change four finger tap gestures on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for touchpad settings in the Windows search bar. Open touchpad settings. Okay, now you have an option for four finger touch gestures here. So now this is a very complex thing. Now here's the question. You just have two options for this. One is swipe and one is tap. So we'll go for taps first. What happens if you tap with four fingers? It will open a notification center. Okay, so you can change it to do nothing or play pause or middle mouse button or let's say open search. So let me change it to open search and hit it again. It opened the search window. The next is with the swipe gestures. Okay, up, down, left, right. So we can change it to the switch desktop and show desktop apps, these four gestures. The next one is to change volume. This will be volume up, volume down, and what do we say, previous track or next track, and so on with this. And then for switch apps and show desktop, or switch desktop and show desktop, this is just a variation of the previous one. Okay, so this will show apps and this will also show apps, and obviously nothing is also an option to disable the four finger gestures. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.